Select the move tool, check the transform controls, and now I'm going to scale up my layer here. So I'm going to leave it here, so click on this icon to confirm. And now go to edit, define new, and then select pattern. And now left click here, select the rectangle shape tool. So I'm going to not use the stroke. So for the fill, I will select black. So now I'm just going to create my rectangle. And now I don't need the image anymore. So I'm just going to select it and then delete it. Create a new layer. So we're going to create our background. So for the foreground is white and the background is this gray color. Here's the HTML notation. Press OK. Select the gradient tool. Change the gradient to radial. And now trace your gradient. Select the rectangle. Select the move tool. I'm going to move it, so here. And now right click on the rectangle layer, select blending options. Select pattern overlay. Left click. And here you will find the image we added as a pattern. Left click. Make sure to uncheck the align with layer. And now I'm going to add the stroke. Left click. Going to change the color to white. Press OK. For the size, I'm going to change it to 5. And then I'm going to add the drop shadow. Going to reduce the distance. And then increase a little bit the size. And then just press OK. And now right click on the rectangle and then duplicate layer. Select the move tool, make sure the transform controls is checked, and now I'm just going to move it. And now I'm going to rotate it, so like this. So if you move your cursor to the outside, you can rotate your layer, so like this. And now right click, duplicate layer. So we can also scale it down. Right click, duplicate layer. Right click, duplicate. So for this one, I'm going to increase it a little bit. And now I'm just going to finish up. Once you're done, select the top layer, scroll down, hold the shift key, and then left click here on the first one, first shape. Then just click on this icon here to place them into a group.